You're about to watch what I consider to be the pinnacle of FPV drone piloting. This is the best FPV video I have ever seen. I've been doing this thing close to a decade and has never been a flight quite like what you're about to watch. Yes, we've got amazing pilots out there, we have amazing skills and people get amazing shots, but this right here, this is from Mika and it is going to be linked down below. It is next level and it gets more and more impressive the longer you watch. Like, this is one flight, one uncut flight that I cannot believe the skills that this pilot has. So we're just going to hit play here. I have the sound off because I did get a copyright sort of message in my email when I tried to look at this on my live stream, but I want to get this out. This has like, I think about 3,000 views at the moment. It needs more. So I do encourage, go watch the original. It's got some really funny laughing in the background and things like that, but it is incredible. So we're cruising around. This is like their local bando. You know, everything looks really good. We've got some small little gaps and, you know, you might be thinking, yeah, that's pretty cool. But then this is where things start to get a little bit nutty. So we're going up here and it looks like we're about to crash as soon as we go up these stairs into the wall. But oh, no, we reverse it out the window and, you know, they're going nuts. It's cool. They're recording their reactions in the background, but it just keeps getting better. Like, these gaps are getting smaller and smaller and it almost feels like he's flying with the force, or like right there backwards throughout the window. Absolutely next level. This would be hard enough to do if this was just like that trick right there. My mind is just exploding looking at that. I've seen amazing videos in the past, but I have never seen them strung together like this. And I'm sure you guys can agree and put some comments down below. Like, a bit of a challenge. Is this the greatest freestyle video you have ever seen, or the greatest flight you have ever seen? We do have one little crash here, which I got to say, that's kind of expected. Most pilots would have crashed like within the first 5 seconds of trying to do what happens in this flight. Is just absolutely amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to make an extra video out there because it's not every day that something like this comes along. It says line of the year. It's not every year that something comes along like this. I would say this is the best flight I have ever seen. So this is like a decade flight, a once in a decade sort of miracle pack that we are witnessing right here. And it's just something to behold. So we could definitely all learn a lot from this person, no matter who your favorite pilot is, what your favorite freestyle pilot is out there, or the moves. This person, just their ability to navigate this environment and like just do so many complicated, tight, technical tricks in such a small environment, like without crashing. It's, I don't know, something really, really special. Then they come in and have a little bit of a landing, and you can see even the pilots there, they're pumped about it as well. I think my favorite part though, it has to be this sort of reverse flip. Like, you think he's going to crash when he comes out, and then yeah, just catches it. Oh no, we're backwards and straight out the door, and followed up with like a reverse dive into these, I don't know, like back through that gap, but doing that backwards. If you are new to FPV, I cannot tell you how hard trying to do some of these tricks are. Like, just jump on the simulator and try to do it once, but linking it all together is absolutely amazing. Now look, I would love to show you their reactions, their music and all that sort of stuff, but I got an email when I spoke about this on my live streams, you know, so I don't want to push that too much, so I don't want to get any warnings or anything like that. But yeah, I'm going to link their original down below. Definitely go watch it. It is what I consider, like, I can't stress it enough, a masterclass on what a perfect flight looks like. You could argue, look, yeah, they did crash once or twice, but that is completely, like, as far as I'm concerned, it's perfect. If it didn't crash, if there weren't those crashes in there, I would almost not believe it, because that's almost beyond what humans are capable of. So yeah, I just want to give them a shout out. Go share some love on their channel, you know, maybe subscribe to them. I think they've got a lot of cool videos there as well. Just amazing. If you're into FPV, I'm sure that you can agree this is the best video you've ever seen. And if you are thinking about getting into freestyle, this is about like, I don't know, it's actually leaving me speechless. Anyway, I'm going to get back to editing. Got some more videos coming out. The live stream is every week, or Monday, Sunday, depending on where you are. Come check in. We watch a lot of cool videos like that as well.